Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable two-factor authentication on Mega account. So first we're going to go to the Mega app. Then once you're here, we're going to click on the menu section. Then once you're here, you're going to click on settings. Then again, we're going to click on security. So there's the two-factor authentication. So you're going to turn it on. So next we're going to click on begin setup since it's the second layer of security to our account. Then you guys can go to the Google Authenticator app, then either scan the QR code or insert that link. Then once you're done, you're going to click on next. So you're going to insert the code you get from the Google Authenticator app. So as you can see, our two-factor authentication is set up. You guys can export the recovery key if you want. If not, you guys can click on close. So that's how you basically do it. It's such an important step. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.